covenant keeping God. You are an awesome God. You are a faithful God. Lead me as you have promised me. Oh, covenant keeping God. Covenant keeping God. An awesome God. An awesome God. You are a faithful God. Oh, lead me as you have promised me. Oh, covenant keeping God. You are an awesome God, an awesome. You are a faithful God. What you say you will do, and that is what you have done. You are a covenant keeping God. Covenant keeping. You never, never, never disappoint. Covenant keeping God. All you have promised me, all of this, all you have done. You promised to bless me. You promise to set me free. You promise to protect me, and that is what you have done. What will I render? What can I give you? Oh, Omalicha Chukwu, Omalicha, Omalicha Chukwu, Omalicha, Omalicha Chukwu, Omalicha. You are a faithful God. Awesome God you are, everlasting Father. Chinadi amawa amawe, Chinadi amawa amawe, Chinadi amawa amawe. Onye nwe nara ekele. Awesome God. You are a faithful God. You are an awesome God. You are a faithful God. Lead me as you have promised, oh, covenant keeping God. Covenant keeping God. An awesome God. Covenant keeping. You are a faithful. You are covenant keeping God. As you have promised, oh,
covenant keeping God. Yes, oh. Almighty Chukwu, the King of all kings, mighty man in battle, I salute you. There is none like thee, none like you, nothing to compare with. Oh Lord, oh Lord, you are awesome, God. Oh Lord, oh Lord, you are marvelous, God. What you have done for me, I cannot be able to explain it. If I start giving thanks for your goodness in my life, from now till tomorrow, from Monday till Sunday, from month to month, from year to year. Nkọba meso magi Chukwu agaghị m akọcha ya. Nkọba ihe ọma ị na-eme, eze bụ ọnụma apụghị ịkọcha ya. Sọ gị bụ ngwọ mmụọ nyere ibi ụwa, gị na-emere m karịa otu ụwa si eme. Onye mmemme Chinegbo mkpa m, Chinaza m ekpere, Chineleta m, nna mmemme m ka isi eme m. Ọ dị m mma ọ dị m mma o, eze nyebe m otu isi enye m, n'ihi na ọ na-akpọ m ụwa ghara.
You are an awesome God. You are a faithful God. Lead me as you have promised me. Oh, covenant keeping, covenant keeping. You are an awesome God. Awesome God. thanksgiving.